एनवायरमेंट रिलेटेड क्या क्या वोकैबुलरी मालूम है पहले पूछ लेता हूँ, उसके बाद हम लोग कुछ सीरीज ऑफ वोकैबुलरी डिस्कशन करें। ओके, अभी सब लोगों को वन आफ्टर वन एक एक वर्ड कहना है विच इज रिलेटेड टू द वोकैबुलरी कैटेगरी विच इज वर्ड एनवायरमेंट। Okay, Julie Rani Das, you tell me a word related to environment.
Sir, climate.
Climate, yes. Next, Jyoti Sagar.
In the acid rain.
Acid rain. Puspa Priyadarshini.
Sir, flood.
Flood, okay. Rasmita Sahu.
Sir, air.
Air, yes. Sarojini Das. Okay, I'll move to next participant. Yes, tell me.
Snow.
Yes, snow. Next, Sunita Sahu.
Atmosphere.
Atmosphere, exactly.
Sir,
Next, atmosphere. Yes, yes. Supriya Maji, what is your word?
So, volcano.
Volcano. Okay, volcano. It's a good word. Anushree Mahanti.
Sir, global warming.
Global warming. Yes, global warming. You can say. We can say. Rajashree.
Sir, biodiversity.
Biodiversity.
I guess, sir.
Okay. Very good. Next, Jyoshna Rani. Tell me a word related to the environment.
Sir, acid rain.
What is that? Acid rain.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Okay, let's me revise it once again. Now this time you have to speak two words related to environment. Is it clear, everybody?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Coming to you,
Yes, sir.
Supriya. Coming to you, Supriya.
Yes, sir.
Tell me two words related to environment vocabulary.
So, fumes and trash.
Okay, very nice. Rajashree.
I guess, sir.
Tell me two words of vocabulary related to environment.
Sir, ecology and
Yes.
deforestation.
Ecology and deforestation. Very good. Next, Anushree Mahanti.
Sir, ecosystem and tsunami.
Okay, tsunami. So T is silent. Okay, Julie Rani Das.
Sir, pollution. Flood.
Yes. Pollution and flood. Flood word is already repeated. So next time you can try something else. Puspa Priyadarshini.
Natural resource.
Yes, natural resource. Puspa Priyadarshini.
Earth cube.
carbon dioxide.
Yes. Rashmita Sahu.
Sir, soil. Planetation.
Soil and planetation. Very fine. Next, Sarojini Das.
Sir, carbon monoxide and water.
Yes. Next, Sunita.
Yes, sir. One word is water and another energy.
Okay. Jyoshna Rani Das.
Sir, energy or drought.
Energy and drought. Very good. Jyoti Sagar.
Storm. और
One more.
natural resource.
Natural resource. Yes. Next, coming to you, Supriya. Supriya, are you there? Coming to you, it's your turn. Tell me two more words related to this.
So, flood and biodiversity.
Yes, biodiversity. Okay, Julie Rani Das.
So,
Next, Julie Rani Das.
Sir, greenhouse effect.
Greenhouse.
Effect.
Yes, greenhouse effect, of course.
Greenpeace.
Okay. Next, Rasmita Sahu.
Biomedical waste management, sir.
Okay, next Anushri Mahanti.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me two more words.
The energy conservation
Mhm.
and deforestation.
Deforestation. Yes. Next, Sunita Sahu.
Yes, sir. Electric charge and light.
Okay. Jyoti Sagar. Next, Jyoti Sagar, your turn.
Sound.
Yes, there is a noise coming. Let me see. Okay, Jyoti Sagar is left. Is there Jyoti Sagar?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, please go into a network zone. Please make sure about your network.
Okay.
I know it's Corona time, but during the class you have to manage.
Okay.
Okay, I will come back to you. Next, again I'm coming to Josna Rani Das.
Green, greenhouse effect
Yes.
or
One
energy.
more. Okay,
Energy.
energy you said. Next, Josna Rani Das.
Sir, oil slick, ozone layer.
Okay. Next, Puspa Priyadarshini.
Rural and smog.
Good evening, sir.
Very good evening. Who is this? Samya Ranjan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Samya Ranjan, tell me two words related to environment. Is my voice coming to you, Samya Ranjan? Someone is getting continuous message. Please make your phone silent. Make sure about it. Next, coming to another participant. Uh, okay, again Sunita Sahu. Sunita Sahu, please tell me two more words related
Yes,
to
sir.
environment.
Yes, sir.
Please respond to
Photosynthesis,
my. Yes. Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis and air.
Okay. Next, Rajashri.
Yes, sir. Ecosystem and food chain.
Okay. Next, Roji Swine, tell me a word related to environment. Roji Swine, are you there? Everyone, today we are discussing all the words which are correlated or related with the environment or nature. So please respond to my question. I'm coming to you once again. Next one, Puspa Priyadarshini, once again.
Throw away, bring out.
Okay, let me make it a little more easier to everybody. Now this time, you have to tell three words. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
I'm making it comfortable. Now this time you have to speak three words related to the category environment. Let me come to you, Anushri Mahanti.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this time you have to speak three words.
Yes, sir. Pollution
Yes. Very good.
and planet
Planet. Yes.
and wildlife.
Very good. Wildlife. Okay. Very good. Next coming to you, Sunita Sahu.
Yes, sir. The word is microorganism, soil, and
Okay.
water.
Water is repeated 1,000 times.
Sir,
No, water is not
another
going to. Another
magnet
word.
is
Tell me
in, sir.
another word.
Sir, magnet is
That might
in.
be okay. Okay, that is okay. That is okay. Next, Soumyaranjan Mishra.
Yes, sir.
Soumyaranjan, you are not responding. Please make sure about your network. Please climb climb somewhere.
Okay, sir.
Please go outside for getting a good network.
Sir, I am going to the roof.
Yes, please go. Why? Because without network, taking class like eating only rice without having any curry. There will not be a test.
Yes, sir.
Now audible, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me three words related to environment.
Sir,
Environment.
now not comfortable. Sir,
Now
now not
comfortable.
comfortable.
Okay. ठीक ଅଛି comfortable ହେଲେ ମତେ କହିବ line ରେ ରହ. Next, Krishna Subhasis, you come.
Yes, sir.
Krishna, so today lesson is about what? Environment vocabulary.
Sir, what?
Today topic is about what? What is the topic today?
Vocabulary,
What we
sir.
are discussing? Yes, vocabulary of what? Environment.
Yes, sir.
Now everyone is saying three words related to this environment. You tell me three words related to environment.
Nature,
Yes.
pollution,
Mm-hmm. And
atmosphere.
atmosphere. Okay. So here nature and pollution is already over. Somebody already took that name. So next time make sure to tell me new words.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Next, Julirani Das.
Sir, oxygen, carbon
Yes.
dioxide,
Okay.
carbon monoxide.
Okay. Very smart answer. Okay. Next, Puspa Priyadarsini.
Sir, biodegradable,
Mm-hmm.
acid rain, and
Acid rain.
biodegradable acid rain, and
Mm-hmm.
global warming.
Okay. Very fine. Next, Rashmita Sahu.
Sir, radiation.
Radiation. Yes.
Cultivator.
Yes.
Land
Cultivator.
cultivator. Agriculture.
Agriculture. Very fine. Next, Sarojini Das.
Yes, sir. So disposable product,
Yes.
recycle waste management, earthquake,
Earthquake. Okay, it's three words. Next, Anusri Mahanti.
Yes, sir. Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, eco conference.
Okay. What is eco conference?
So the ecosystem.
No. What does it mean by eco conference?
Hello.
What is eco conference?
Sir, eco conference means.
Eco conference means are you saying about some?
Sir,
Are you
networking
saying?
networking generated to the relationships जो यार सही
Okay. So
Say
conference.
eco conference.
Yes.
Yes.
So here that conference means eco conference means like some people gather
Yes, sir.
somewhere and they are discussing about the
Surgeon.
advancement and all this.
New relations. Yes, sir.
Exactly. Okay. Let me come to another participant. Roji Swai, are you there?
So,
Okay. Roji Swai, can you please tell me two
Sir,
words?
clearly ଶୁଭୁନି ଟିକେ.
Okay. Now is it okay, everybody?
No,
Hello.
sir.
Is it okay now, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, Roji Swai, are you there?
yes, sir.
Sir, your voice is cracking, sir.
Yeah, you have a poor network connection. That's why the others are also getting the same problem, or it's my voice is audible to all.
Sometimes cracking, sir.
Audible sometimes or and breaking sometimes.
I'm doing my best to be in the network. I'm outside actually because of the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyhow, Rojishwai, now tell me two words related to environment.
So habitat and biotic and plant and nature abiotic.
Okay. Fine. Let me come to another participant. Now this time I'm increasing the number this time. Now what happened? You are going to speak 5 words related to environment. Is it clear, everybody?
Sorry, already bad.
Yes, I'm making it more simpler. I'm making it more clear. So don't be panic. So this is not that much. This is not that much difficult because every time, wherever you are coming out of the home, we are facing environment word.
Sir.
So everything, whatever we are seeing, is related to environment or not?
Yes, sir.
So we can have plenty number of words. I can speak more than thousands words related to environment. So it's very simple. Just think about it. I will select whether it is a environment related word or not. You just keep going on. Okay, coming to you, Jyoti Sagar.
Yes, sir. 5 words. Solar power, oceans, sea, continuity,
Hmm? One more.
cycle,
Okay, cycle. Yes, cycle may come under this. Okay, very fine, Jyoti Sagar. Next, coming to you, Krishna Sivasis.
Yes, sir.
areas,
Krishna Sivasis, your turn now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Creature,
Okay.
dust,
Hmm?
destruction,
Okay, destruction.
carbon,
Carbon, yes.
uh,
One more.
climate.
Climate. Okay, but here from your list, some of the word already spoken. So does it matter? Does it matter? Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, next. Puspa Priyadarshini.
Extinction,
Okay,
fumes and oil leak,
yes.
and volcano, waste.
Okay, now I'm going to apply a small and very kitty rule into this. I'm adding a new teeny rule into the competition now. Now, those who are going to speak the 5 words related to environment, we will count only the unique one, not the one that already people have spoken. Okay? And I will count who are getting 5 out of 5 or who are getting 5 out of 2 or 3. Is it clear, everyone?
Sir, again tell.
Yes,
Not
sir.
audible.
Yes.
Little bit changes. ଏବେ କ'ଣ କରିବା? Everybody is going to speak 5 words, but ସେଇ word ଗୁଡାକ ଅନ୍ୟ କେହି କହି ନଥିବେ. Make sure about that. Is it clear?
Sir.
Then
Okay,
after
sir.
that, I will tell you are getting 5 out of 5, 5 out of 4, or 3, or 2, or even 0 if we were unlucky. So let me begin with Anushri Mahanti. Okay, Anushri, your time started now.
Sir, scenery
Okay,
and sustainable development
okay, very good.
uh, and waste.
Waste,
Sir,
okay.
waste କୁହାହେଇଛି କି?
I will tell you at the end. You carry on.
No,
Focus on your
so
job.
then renewable energy
Okay,
and temperature.
okay. So you are getting 5 out of 3. Okay, 2 are cutted now. Okay, next one. Supriya Maji.
So my words are earthquake,
Mm-hmm.
water cycle, fossil
Okay.
fuel, UV
Mm-hmm.
rays, and flood.
Okay, so you are getting 5 out of 2.
Okay, sir.
Okay, no problem. You will try once again. Next, Rajasri Barik.
Yes, sir.
Tell me your word.
Sir, biochemical, fossil
Yes.
fuels, solid,
Mm-hmm.
toxic, methane,
Mm-hmm.
hazardous waste,
Okay.
pesticides.
Wait. Don't go beyond 5. It's 5 word, no?
Yes, sir.
So in that 5 word, you are getting 5 out of 4. 4 are correct. 1 is already spoken. Okay, well try. Next, Soumya Ranjan. Okay, I'll come to another participant. Next, Josna Rani. Next, Josna Rani, are you there? Okay, I'm coming to another participant. Roji Swine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me your 5 words.
Natural resources, greenhouse effect, ozone layer, wind, cyclone, flood.
Wait. 5, no? You have to count. Okay, so I think here 2 or 3 are correct. Like three words are new here. Okay, next, another participant. Sunita Sahu.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
My
tell
word
me now
is
5 words.
sunlight,
Yes.
plants, vegetation, rocks, electromagnetic charge, alcohol.
Okay, very good. You are getting 5 out of 5. Very fine. Next, Rasmita Sahu.
Sir, geological active, geological stone, mercury,
Yes.
eclipse, and variety fruits and flowers.
Okay, very good. Intelligently answered. So you are getting 5 out of 5.
Thank you.
Okay, next participant, Jyoti Sagar.
Yes, sir.
Tell me your word. Don't waste time. Tell me your word. We have to discuss a lot. Tell me the word.
Petroleum,
Yes.
nuclear energy, heat,
Okay.
wind energy.
Okay. Very good. So you did great. 5 out of 5. Next, Rajasri Barik. Next, Rajasri, your turn. Okay, I'm coming to another person. Julie Rani Das.
Sir, geothermal, coal, compost, emission, erosion.
Very good. 5 out of 5. Next, Krishna Subhasis.
Yes, sir. Sir, soil, surface, natural gas,
Okay.
stratosphere, and ecosystem.
Okay, you are getting 2 out of 5. Okay, next, Roji Swine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what are your words?
The atmosphere, animal,
Okay.
plants, wind, earthquake.
You are getting 2 out of 5. Next, another participant, Sorojini Das.
Sir, hydrocarbon,
Okay.
dump, disaster,
Disaster, yes.
industrial waste,
Okay.
fertile,
Okay, fertile, yes, very good word. One more. Right, you're getting 5 out of 4. Just 1 mark left. Tell me one more.
energy source.
Okay, energy source. Okay, anyhow. Okay, everybody, let's watch what are the words related to environment. Then we are going to have the word game at the end.
Sir, sorry sir, मुझे काम उठलाम पड़ছে.
Yes. No problem.
Sir,
Yes. Now let me tell you some of the words related to environment, everybody. Okay. अभी सारे सुन लो सारे वर्ड को, ताकि आपको वर्ड गेम में और भी इजी होगा बोलने के लिए, पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए. Okay. So these are the words of today vocabulary. Acid run, acid rain, then carbon dioxide. Is it audible, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Carbon footprint, then carcinogen. Carcinogen means what? Let me tell you an example. Cigarette smoke contain a number of carcinogen. So a substance that has been linked to causing one or more type of cancer. एक तरह का सब्सटेंस है जो क्या करता है, बहुत सारा टाइप्स का कैंसर हमको देता है. Which is by consuming what? By smoking cigarette. Next word, carpool. Carpool is a verb. Carpool means what? To share a car instead of driving one alone. अपने कार को शेयर करना, तो ये भी आ जाता है हमारा इसमें. नेक्स्ट आ गया क्लियर कट. क्लियर कट मीन्स टू डिस्ट्रॉय ए फॉरेस्ट बाय कटिंग डाउन ऑल द ट्रीज. इसको हम लोग क्लियर कट कहेंगे या क्लियर कटिंग भी कह सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट आ गया क्लाइमेट चेंज, ये कॉमन वर्ड है. नेक्स्ट आ गया कंपोस्ट. सबको कंपोस्ट पता है?
Yes, sir.
जैसे कि जहाँ पे एक जगह पे हम वेजिटेबल पील्स हो गया, अनईटन फूड हो गया, ये सारा वेस्ट डालते हैं, उससे फिर फ्यूल निकलता है, या उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सॉइल को हेल्दी करने के लिए इस्तेमाल करते हैं खाद के हिसाब से. ओके, नेक्स्ट वर्ड कम्यूट. COMMUTE. कम्यूट मीन्स टू ट्रैवल फ्रॉम होम टू वर्क एंड बैक. कंजर्वेशन पता है सब लोगों को? प्रोटेक्शन करना नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट का. जैसे हम लोगों का उड़ीसा गवर्नमेंट में एक डिपार्टमेंट है सॉइल कंजर्वेशन, तो इन लोगों का काम होता है, वो लोग हमेशा ट्राई करते हैं सॉइल कैसे कंजर्व किया जाए. जैसे आप लोग देखे होंगे रिवर के साइड में जो ये दीवार देते हैं स्टोन का, दैट इज फॉर व्हाट? सॉइल कंजर्वेशन.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one, contaminated. Contaminated means what? Carrying harmful bacteria or toxin that can cause disease or death. That is called contaminate. अभी contaminated word famous है because of corona.
Yes.
Okay, next one, domestic waste. We know everyone, domestic waste or household waste, right?
Yes, sir.
Next one, dump. Dump सबको पता है, to put waste in the wrong place.
Yes, sir.
Okay, eco
Yes, sir.
community or eco village, like a community with environmentally friendly buildings or clean technology and renewable energy like solar and wind. I have seen there is a country which is running purely on solar system. There is no electricity there. They are completely running on what? Solar energy. There is a country, I forgot the name. So it's a good thing. Next word, endangered species, जो धीरे धीरे विलुप्त होते जा रहे हैं. Animals or whether it is a plants in danger of becoming extinct or disappearing in the near future. For example, are you watching more Black Panther in India?
No, sir.
No. So recently a photographer have waited around 5 or 6 days to capture a single photo of that Black Panther which gone viral on social media. Next word, environmentalist. A person who protects the natural world, that's called environmentalist, right? Okay, next word, ecosystem. Also we know ecosystem, the relationship between living thing and their environment is called ecosystem. Next आ गया emit. Emit होता है to release और project something, जैसे कि लाइट हो गया, साउंड हो गया, स्मोक हो गया, गैस हो गया, रेडिएशन हो गया, इसको हम लोग इमिट करते हैं. नेक्स्ट आता है एक्सटिंक्ट, EXTINCT, नो लॉन्गर एग्जिस्टिंग और लॉस्ट फॉरएवर, जो पूरा गायब हो जाता है उसको हम लोग एक्सटिंक्ट कहते हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन, फर्टिलाइज वी नो एवरीबॉडी, क्योंकि फर्टिलाइज से फर्टिलाइजर होता है. यस. नेक्स्ट आ गया फूड चेन. आप लोग जो साइकिल बोल रहे थे ये फूड चेन है. फूड चेन मीन्स व्हाट? द ऑर्गेनिज्म इन एन इकोसिस्टम ईट वन अनदर. जैसे कि गोट जो है वो ग्रास खाता है, गोट को फिर लायन खाता है, शेर खाता है, शेर को फिर आदमी खाता है, आदमी को और कोई खाता है. ये जो एक चेन है उसको हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? फूड चेन. Okay, next word is fossil fuel, which are like oil or coal. They are called what? They are very old plant and animal fossil also. Next, global warming we know. Next, greenhouse gas we know. Habitat, the place where species normally lives is called habitats. Next आ गया hazardous waste. Hazardous waste का मतलब होता है dangerous substances that need careful disposal. जैसे कि टॉक्सिक हो गया या न्यूक्लियर वेस्ट हो गया, इसको इधर उधर फेंक देंगे तो प्रॉब्लम होगा ना. ओके, नेक्स्ट वर्ड, पेस्टिसाइड. Pesticide is what? It's a chemical that's sprayed on crops to stop insect from destroying them, right? That's called pesticide. Next word, pollutant. Next, pollute or pollution. Preserve, protect, protest, recycle, reduce, deforestation. फिर दोबारा पेड़ लगा के हरा भरा करना. Renewable, दोबारा हो सके. Next, rely on. What is rely on? Depending on something. I can say like this coronavirus completely rely on the vaccine and awareness in India. Okay, next word, smoke. SMOG, smoke. Okay, smoke is what? A thick dirty cloud at ground level caused by pollutant reacting to sunlight. Smoke. जो बोलते हैं। नेक्स्ट आ गया टॉक्सिक, जो पॉइजनस वेस्ट होता है, केमिकल होता है, उसको हम लोग टॉक्सिक कहते हैं। नेक्स्ट आ गया वाइल्ड लाइफ और जीरो इमिशन। एक वर्ड है, बढ़िया वर्ड है, जीरो इमिशन मीन्स रिलीजिंग नो ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस लाइक कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और मीथेन। ठीक है, इज इट क्लियर एवरीबॉडी?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now everyone get ready to fight with the word game. Now I will tell you one word, and the word ended with another word. Again, we are doing the cycle here. For example, I said environment. So the word ended with which letter?
T.
T.
So now among you, those who know, you can tell a single word. Is it
Toxic.
clear? Okay, toxic. What is the ending? Okay, those who are saying the word, please tell me the last letter. Then the next person can speak.
Sir, C.
Carbon.
Carbon. Okay, carbon. जो पहले बोलेगा उसको काउंट किया जाएगा. Carbon. Get ready to answer. Carbon. What is the last letter?
Sir, N.
N.
Natural glass.
Nature.
Okay, nature. E.
Eco community.
Okay, last letter, please.
N.
So what is the letter is N actually.
The natural resources.
Okay, natural resources. B letter S.
Yes.
Sir, sustainable.
Okay, sustainable.
Sir,
Last
E.
E.
Sir, ecosystem.
Okay, ecosystem. Last letter E.
E.
Eco community.
Eco community. Last letter
Eco village.
Y.
Y. Now word with Y. Y everybody. The letter is Y everybody.
Yellowish.
Is that?
Yellowish.
Yellow.
Yellowish, sir.
Yellowish. What is the spelling?
Yellowish. WELLOW ISA. Yellowish.
Okay, what is the last letter?
Y.
E.
Y again. E.
E, sir. Yellowish.
Okay, next E. Tell me the word
Sir,
with E
eco
letter.
resort. Sir, eco resort. Eco resort. Resort.
Eco resort. What is the last letter?
Sir, T.
E.
Energy.
Everyone. T.
Temperature.
Temperature. What is the last letter?
E.
E.
E. Again,
Sir,
everybody.
electromagnetic
N.
charge.
Please tell me.
Sir, environmentalist.
Sir,
Okay, environmentalist. जो पहले होगा बोलेगा उसको काउंट किया जाएगा. So everybody get ready to answer. Share your okay. Environmentalist T.
Tsunami.
Okay, tsunami. Very good. Last letter.
I.
I.
Okay.
Industrial waste.
Industrial waste. Very good. E.
Earth.
Earth.
Sir, electromagnetic charge.
No, that's gone already. Earth. The word is earth. H.
H.
Habitat.
Habitat. Very good. Who is that habitat man? Who is saying habitat? Habitat. Who is that
Jyoti Singh.
person? Who is telling? Oh, Jyoti Sagar. Very good. Great job. Habitat. Last letter.
E.
Sir, ecology.
Ecology. Very good. Ecology. Last letter.
Y.
Y. Oh, what a beautiful letter. Y. Very good. I'm very happy when Y come. Okay, let's see. What word you know with the letter Y is related to environment? Why everybody? Why?
Y.
Okay, I will count up to 10. Otherwise, I will tell the word. Countdown start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody please try. 6.
Yak.
What
Sir,
is that?
east.
Okay, tell me the spelling.
East. Y-E-S-T.
What is that? Y-E-S-T? I don't know. Y-E-S-T, there is a word.
So Y-E-A-S-T.
Y-E-S-T, sir, east.
Oh, Y-E-A-S-T.
Yes,
हाँ,
sir.
sir.
ओहो, कहाँ से मिल गया तुमको ये फंगुस वाला वर्ड? नेट से देख रहे हो?
नहीं सर.
You don't know. Okay. So anyhow, let's see. I'm not watching you people, no, because you see I'm in village, so I can't show my face even. And here there is no electricity. It's gone. Okay. Anyhow, the last letter T now. I request everybody to participate in this. T. The letter T
So
now.
thunder.
Thunder. Very good. Thunder. Very good. R.
Last word is R, sir.
Radiation.
Radiation is counted. Last letter
So
M.
R.
Radiation, no.
N.
N. Okay, last letter N now. N में बहुत बढ़िया word. Nitrogen. Yes, again N, I think.
Sir, natural resource.
Natural resource, I think over हो गया है.
Yes, sir.
No, natural
Yes, sir.
resource
Yes,
is
sir.
not going to
Natural
count.
environment.
What is that?
Environment.
N. Tell me the word.
Natural disaster.
Okay, natural disaster.
Okay.
This is a complete cheating. No, what is natural disaster? Disaster is coming. We know what is natural disaster. No, this is not going to count. Tell me another word. I'm not happy with the word natural disaster. One more word. M. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल वर्ड है, बोलो एन पे.
Sir, noise.
Okay, very good. Noise is also related. Fine. The last letter E.
Erosion.
Eruption.
Sir, erosion. E-R-O-S-I-O-N.
ना सर, तो
Erosion.
एयर है ना, एरोसोल एयर.
Sir, E.
What is that?
Ero-
Erection or erosion?
Sir, erosion. E-R-O-S-I-O-n.
Yes, very good. E-R-O-S-I-O-N. Erosion.
एन. सर
Okay.
नेचर.
N.
नेचर.
Nature is already over, no?
So natural resources.
Noxious gas.
No,
Noxious gas.
natural resources is
Next
also
yes,
over.
next yes, yes.
Noxious gas.
Okay, which guess?
Sir, nee Rajastri.
Okay, what guess?
Sir, noxious gas.
Yes. Last letter S, everybody.
Sir, smog.
Synthesis, sir.
Okay,
Sir,
smog. Someone is saying smog. S-M-O-G-G.
Sir, groundwater.
What is that?
Groundwater.
Groundwater. The letter R.
Sir, renewable energy.
Okay, now Rajeshri,
Why?
Soumyaranjan and Sunita Sahu, please respond. Your speakers are
Why?
silent now.
सर
Okay,
वाई
what
है.
is the last letter?
सर
Why?
वाई.
Oh, very good. Congrats to all. Now tell me now. Why? I know the word. Again, I'm going to count. Get
सर
ready.
प्लीज वेट 2 minutes. सर वेट 2 minutes.
Not 2 minutes. I have only 1 minute. Okay. I'm counting up to 10.
Okay, sir.
वाई.
1 and 2, 3, 4, 5.
Sir, yoga.
10, 8,
Yoga.
9, 10. No. Okay. Have you heard the word Yellowstone eruption?
Sorry, sir.
Yellowstone.
Yes. Sir.
LLOW, Yellowstone eruption.
सर तमान्ने कौन?
येलोस्टोन इरेक्शन का मतलब ये तो पहला चीज एक ड्रामा सीरीज है, लेकिन येलोस्टोन का मतलब है जो बड़ा बड़ा पहाड़ से टूटता है, पत्थर वो गिरता है, उसको भी हम लोग येलोस्टोन कहते हैं। ठीक है।
यस सर।
येलोस्टोन। So what is Yellowstone? What eruption? Letter N.
Natural gas.
Okay, natural gas. S.
Sir, sustainable development. Sir, sunlight.
What is that?
Sir,
Sustainable.
Sir, solid.
Sustainable development.
Development. Yeah.
T.
टॉक्सिक।
Toxic. अच्छा चलो एक काम करते हैं. Okay, now everybody, I am making the game more easier to one more step. Now I will invite Anushree Mahanti and Julie Rani Das. Are you there, both of you?
Yes sir.
Now both of you do the competition by only two people, Anushree and Julie Rani. There is a competition now in between two people, Anushree and Julie Rani. So what is the last letter? T. Now Anushree, you begin the game. T. What is that?
T.
Temperature.
Okay, temperature. Julie Rani, you have to respond. Tell the last letter to her.
तो ये कोई मुंह से E.
No, only look. Anushree speak a word called temperature. Now Julie Rani, you have to
तो C को ले.
अच्छा ठीक है, गेम को चालू करने तो फिर हम लोग इसमें बढ़ेंगे. मैं स्टार्ट करने के लिए हाँ बोल दिया. अभी काउंट होगा ना?
Yes sir.
Okay, Julie Rani, your turn now.
Sir, renewable energy.
No. It is not going to be valid. New word.
Sir, recycle waste.
What is that?
Recycle waste.
Recycle waste. Okay, very good. Again, E, Anushree.
E. Earth.
Earth is already, the word is already what? Spoken 1,000 times. No. Okay, I'm doing one thing. I'm increasing your group size. Anushree, make sure in your team Josna Rani and Rasmita is also there. Okay?
Yes sir.
Remember your team, everybody. Anushree, Josna Rani, Rasmita in one group. Julie Rani Das, Roji Swai and Sorojini Das. You are in one group. Is it clear?
Yes sir.
Oh, continue. The letter is E. E, I think it is in Anushree group.
Yes sir.
Okay, E. Anushree, your
Sir,
groups are who are there?
eco-resort.
Sir, ecology.
Okay,
Eco-resort.
Okay, ecology. Okay, you both group decide. I'm here, I'm listening you. Now if someone say
सर
ecology, again
मुझे
engage
जाने
with why.
पड़ते.
Okay, now let's open the contest. Everybody have to answer. There is a confusion here, so don't worry. We are not going to make it a more conundrum. So let's come to the point. Okay, everybody please respond. Now the letter Y.
Y.
Again Y, your lucky letter.
Yellow soil.
I.
सर राजस्थान आड़े गोटे अच्छी ना हल्दी घाट माने एत से सॉइल टा येलो कलर.
No. Now tell me, yes, there are words.
सर येलो फीवर.
Yellow fever. It's a disease. So how it's go related with the environment?
Sir, youth होगा नहीं youth?
We are going to add like youth, and we can add everything. If we are making a mindset that sir, we would added everything forcefully, then what can I do? Think about it. Yes, there might be a word with the letter Y. सोचो Y में होगा. There must be a word with Y.
होगा.
It must be related to environment.
Vetrium. Sir,
What is the
vetrium.
word?
Vetrium.
Spelling बोलो.
Yttrium. Vetrium.
What do you mean by
It's
that?
it's a one type of element, sir.
Okay, yttrium.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is the last letter now?
M, sir.
M. Okay, everybody. The letter is M.
Methane.
Methane. Okay, very good. Last letter.
E.
sir.
E. Everybody.
Endotherm.
Emmet, sir.
Met.
Yes, sir.
Okay. E again. I think.
Endotherm.
Sir,
Endoform.
Energy.
Okay, let's count energy. Very good. I'm happy to see.
Why?
Again, Y. Okay, this Y giving us energy. Very good.
কিছু নাহি বাইরে.
Yes, definitely there must be a word.
মনে পড়লো স্যার
স্যার দিব্য বটা ଆମ ମନରେ ଏବେ ନାହିଁ
Sir, yeah, chho, YATCH.
শিখব
YATCH.
Sir, y-axis.
Okay, you can say yellow color also because the yellow color is come from environment also.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा येलो को ऐड कर लेंगे.
Yes, sir. Yellow
Okay,
color.
चलो ठीक है. येलो कलर हो गया. तो R में बोलो नेक्स्ट वर्ड.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. It is related to environment.
ব্রেক
हाँ sir.
Refrigerator, it's a tools, no machinery tools, electronic gadget.
Sir, reforestation.
Reforestation is a good word. Reforestation. So the letter is N.
Nitrogen.
Okay, nitrogen. Now the science students are going to play a very good role. They are telling all the gas and all. Very good. Nitrogen. Again, N, I think.
The noise pollution.
Okay, noise pollution. Very good. Again, N, I think.
Sir, nitrous gas. Nitrous gas.
Nitro. Okay, S.
স্যার soil
Sir, sunlight.
Sunlight is a good word.
Sorry,
Again,
sir.
T.
Sir, temperature.
It's
Temperature,
oven, I
sorry,
think.
Ellen.
thermometer
T. Yes. Somebody is saying something. T.
Thermal.
What is that? Thermal project.
thunder.
Okay,
Sorry,
thunder.
sir.
No, thunder. Thunder is a good word. Again, R.
Thunder, sorry, sir.
Sir,
Who's?
Sir, rocks.
What is that?
Rocks, sir. Rocks. R-O-C-K-S.
Okay, again K, everybody. Now it's K is a good word. Next K.
Sir, kinetic energy.
Very good. Again, very good. Thank you.
Why?
Why? No, you are digging the hole. What can I do?
No word on starting letter. Why?
Okay, everybody, let's stop the game here. Okay, so think about your word. Those who are getting first, please. Those who are getting the word first, please message that word in the group so that I will congratulate him, and there might be a surprise for him or her.
सर
सर वाई रे
Okay, why के letter में जो दोगे might be they are going to receive a novel from me. In
Sir,
coming days,
yellow
after
bite.
Ramadan,
Sir,
no, the time is over. No, the time is over. You have to post in the group with the meaning and with the sentence. Very good. Why में बोलना है आपको word related to environment, उसका meaning लिखोगे group में और उसका एक sentence भी दोगे. तब जाके जो fast post करता है group में, he or she is going to win a novel. That I have purchased. I have a collection of 100 novels luckily. So I can give it to him or her later after lockdown. But definitely I will give. Okay. So everybody, let's stop the class here. See you in the next class. And I wish all the best for tonight exam, everybody. There is a vocabulary exam of today's discussion. So please make sure to score better. And those who have not posted your speech and sentence of the day, please go ahead. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, everybody. Thanks for joining.
Thank you, sir.
थैंक यू सर